Welcome to the Crypto Infinity channel where we try to help you find infinite ways to make money. My name is Hector and my goal is to help you reach financial freedom. Now before we get started, go hit that like and subscribe. Not a financial advisor, but now let's get started with your daily market update. So we have the market cap sitting at 1.95 trillion. We're down 3% over the last day. We have Bitcoin sitting at 42,000, Ethereum sitting at 3,100, XRP back to the number 6 spot, 75 cents. Solana, we have it sitting at 109. Cardano, $1.02. Terra has just dropped back down to number 9. It was in the number 6 spot the other day. It's at about $94 per share or per token. So we have CRO down here at 43 cents. Algorand is another token that is just, it's a good buying price, 75 cents. Stellar, 20 cents. Hedera, 20 cents. We have VeChain at 6 cents as well. So again, all of these are good tokens to buy. They're at a good buying price. So again, like I said, this market is just ridiculous right now. Look at all these tokens in the red. We do have Safe right here. It's up 67% for the week. It was at $22 last week. It's at about $37 right now. Mina is at $3.20. It was at about $2.60 last week. Near Protocol, we do have it at $17. It was at $14 at the start of the week. And CVX, which is another one at $34. It was at $29 at the beginning of the week. So again, these are a lot of tokens that are pretty much in the red. The whole market is just dumping. It's terrible right now. But like they say, buy the dip. Buy the freaking dip. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin charts. Again, this is the daily Bitcoin chart. I do believe that we will retest that 37,000 mark. Well, that's if we do drop below 40. If we don't drop below 40, we will be headed back up. But if we touch 40 and dip below it, I do believe we will retest that 37,000 support mark. Maybe 34, 35, maybe. But again, I do remain bullish. This is just temporary. I do believe we'll be on our way up within the coming days. Again, just look at this. It's an incredible move. Since 2018, look at this run up right here. We did go down here, a run up here. We did go down. So like I said, I do expect a run up if it follows this trend. Pretty much just going like this, going up, down. It should be heading on up. But again, that's just my opinion. I do believe we will have a run up, but we'll just have to wait and see. Again, it is sitting at 42,000. Our technical saying is a good time to sell, but again, I would keep on accumulating, buy the dip, and we'll see what happens. XRP is another one that's at 75 cents. Like I said, buy the dip on this. It's a strong still technicals, but again, this is a strong accumulation zone. So I do believe that people will be buying, whales will be buying, I will be buying. But again, that's just me, my opinion, not financial advice. So again, do your own research before you get into any of these coins. So again, we will potentially retest that 70 cents mark. If we do drop below that, expect it to drop to about 60 cents, 65. But again, 70 to 75 is an accumulation zone that all the whales have just been gobbling up. So again, 74 cents, get in there. HBAR is another token that I would accumulate at around this price zone, 20 cents. Look at this run up that it's had right here. This 2021, just a sharp run up. We did come down, but again, we did head up to about 57 cents. So again, we're at 20 cents right now. Imagine you go from 20 cents to 57 cents. You already made past your money. So it's been sitting at about 20 cents. That's where it retest. So again, right here, it's about 15 cents. But again, I don't believe we will drop anywhere to that point. I think the most we'll drop to is about 18, 19 cents. If that, technical saying is a strong sell. But again, this is where all the whales have been gobbling up. 20 cents, HBAR, get it. Not financial advice, but again, that's just me, my opinion. This is why I'm so bullish on it. HBAR Foundation commits 250 million to drawing Metaverse apps to Hedera. So the announcement follows a 155 million DeFi fund launched in the March. Hedera is eyeing the Metaverse with its latest venture fund, saying on Thursday that will put 250 million in HBAR tokens towards its development. The announcement made by the HBAR Foundation. The Metaverse fund targets business to consumer and business to consumer projects that Hedera hopes will bring users into Web3 and its ecosystem, with the focus on gaming and virtual worlds, consumer brands and collectibles, sports and fan engagement, and enterprise metaverse. So again, they're trying to get into the metaverse. I do believe that they will get a lot of attention. But again, I'm very bullish on Hedera. Most of the tokens I'll talk about here on this channel, I'm very bullish on. But again, that's just me, my opinion. Enterprise NFTs, the first grant from the new fund went to SAO, a company that helps brands use NFTs and has partnerships with more than 300 companies, according to the press release. Russman told CoinDesk 2 areas of particular interest for Hedera are virtual fashion and gaming. Both sectors are pretty huge, well, actually very huge. So, again, that just makes it even more bullish. 39 of the companies in Hedera's governance council, a group assembled to oversee the network's operations and strategy, is gaming giant Ubisoft, which joined the council a little over a month after its own NFT debacle in December. So again, there's just plenty of reasons to remain bullish on Hedera, XRP, XLM, VeChain, Algorand, XLM again. But Bitcoin is just gonna be, now that they're integrating the Lightning Network, I think it will be huge. So again, if we look at this article here, it says McDonald's, Starbucks, Chipotle, Walmart take the orange pill. Now you can pay with Bitcoin. Imagine going to get your coffee with Bitcoin. That'd be crazy, right? But it's here now, so let's do something. Let's take advantage of it. Go get your coffee with Bitcoin. The adoption rate of Bitcoin and other cryptos are way past their nascent stage. Crypto payments and transactions are no longer limited for the crypto industry. So again, this in turn would aid Bitcoin bugs to pay while buying a burger at McDonald's or grabbing a coffee at Starbucks. Grocery shopping at Walmart can be carried out through crypto now as well. So again, this is crazy. Lightning Network, pretty much for fractions of a penny as well. Well, not even fractions of a penny. You will pay some pennies, but again, no match for XRP and the XRPL. Now that's fractions of a penny. So, some more knowledge on the Lightning Network. The Lightning Network is driving the current burst of mainstream adoption in Bitcoin, but here's how it's speeding up transaction times and cutting the fees. CoinShares Bitcoin Lightning Network reported in July prospects for fast and cheap high capacity channel. Like it says here, it could help Bitcoin and its mainstream adoption facilitate the global transactions. I don't think it'll be used for global transactions, but again, if you could go get your coffee now, I remain bullish on Bitcoin, XRP, XLM. This is gonna be crazy. This is the beginning for crypto and the asset, but again, time will tell. Cryptos are fast becoming part of the everyday language of financial markets. Major financial institutions are offering crypto to some of the richest clients, while digital banks and payment platforms will let users buy and sell them. So again, we did see Janet Yellen say, I believe it was yesterday, she did say that the CBDC for the US dollar, the digital dollar, is years away. I doubt it. I believe they have been working on it for the past couple of years. They barely want you to hear about it. So again, they are hiding it. Well, I believe they are hiding it until they are ready to put it out there. But I do believe they have been working on it. I don't think it'll take years. But again, that's just my opinion. There's always one thing standing in the way of Bitcoin becoming truly mainstream: the speed of the network it runs on. So again, the Lightning Network will really help out Bitcoin. The Bitcoin network handles billions of transactions a day, but these have typically tended to be slow and costly. That has made it hard to use Bitcoin for regular payments and instead made it more of an investment vehicle or store of value. So again, I don't know. I didn't really know how long Bitcoin took, but the other day I sent some Bitcoin from one wallet to another wallet. Man, I thought I had lost that Bitcoin. It took so long. It did take a couple hours for that Bitcoin to get there, but it finally got there. And I did pay a good chunk in a fee, But again, that's now that it's on the Lightning Network, it should be a little bit faster, well, a lot faster actually, and a little cheaper. So again, I do remain bullish on Bitcoin. So Cathie Wood here says banks have a big problem thanks to crypto. On this article, it says crypto was initially created to sidestep old institutions, and banks may finally be feeling themselves get disrupted. Known for her high risk, high reward strategy, her in crypto world Thursday that the amount of interest investors are showing in DeFi or decentralized finance applications could threaten the traditional banking world. There's been a share shift when it comes to loans and DeFi. So again, banks have a big problem. This is what she said in Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami. They're losing talent to crypto, so they're having to raise wages to attract talent, and they're losing business to DeFi, lending and saving. A lot of it's taking place in DeFi right now. So again, we have been having a lot of Web3 development companies taking a lot of people away from old institutions, like even the government. They're taking people away from the U.S. government, banks, just everywhere. Everybody's trying to get into that Web3 pretty much employers. So decentralized finance is an umbrella term for the various financial products and services that are peer-to-peer, built on blockchains, and eliminate the need for the traditional institutions that have historically provided access to those services. So again, this is really bullish for Bitcoin and all of crypto, not just Bitcoin, but each crypto has their own utility, and we'll just have to wait and see what their use case is for. Well, we already know some of them, what their use case is, but we do have all the others that really don't state it. But again, here, Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary says Bitcoin will become the reserve currency of the earth. Don't believe me? Let's look at this article. A new petro asset, this historic move could send Bitcoin's price to $1 million. Meanwhile, Ethereum, BNB, Terra, XRP, Solana, Cardano, and Dogecoin are sinking. So again, we do have the market pretty much in the red. Look at this sea of red. This is crazy. Bitcoin and crypto prices pulled back this week. The Bitcoin price dropped below 44,000, losing about 7.7% of its value. Other major cryptos are also in a downtrend. Ethereum's price dropped 5.4%, XRP 10.5%, and Dogecoin 10%, Cardano 10.4%. So again, a lot of cryptos have just been falling dramatically. Now that there are a few isolated yet seemingly connected developments that spark wild speculations about a monumental role Bitcoin could play in the global financial system in the long run. First, Russia is tossing around the idea of accepting Bitcoin for its fossil fuel exports. Last week, Russia's energy minister Pavel Zavalny said friendly countries, including China, could be allowed to buy gas and oil in their currencies or Bitcoin. They have been proposing to China for a long time to switch to settlements in national currencies for rubles or yuan. Later, he added, you can also trade in Bitcoin. So again, this is very bullish for the Bitcoin and pretty much all of crypto. But like it says here, Shark Tank Kevin O'Leary, he puts his money in things he knows he's gonna make money. So if he knows something, that's probably why he's saying it. But again, we could see Bitcoin to about $1 million. We could see the new petro asset. So again, if it's pretty much the petro Bitcoin instead of PetroDollar, that would be crazy. It would be huge. But that is all that we have for the daily market update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, hit that like and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. Thanks, and until next time.